Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to use the lighting features on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. Tap here settings. This is the standard view of the settings. Choose here lights. And as you can see, now you can use interior and exterior lighting. Here you've got three features that you can use. The first one is Locator Lighting. I really like to have this feature enabled. You can do it just by using this toggle. And when you unlock the car in the dark, the exterior lights turn on to help you find your vehicle and light your path. So it's really amazing feature. The second option is interior lighting switch off delay. So basically the cabin light stays on for a short period of time after you close the door or turn off the engine, giving you time to exit comfortably. So you can also enable or disable this feature as simple as that. And the last option here is exterior lights switch off delay, also known as coming home lights. So the headlights stay on for a set time. As you can see, in my case it's 15 seconds, but you can choose some longer period of time. So the car light your walk to your front door. So you know how to get to your front door by using this exterior light switch off delay. You can also disable this feature if you would like to, but I really like to have this set up to 15 seconds. It's enough time for me. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.